Hello everyone, welcome. In a previous video of Donald Trump, I have already told you that the nominations for the Nobel Prize 2020 have already submitted and the result will publish in the month of October. So friends, the result for the Nobel Prize 2020, the result has already published. So let's see. For the year 2020, the result of Nobel Prize in Physics has awarded to the three scientists, and they are Roger Penrose, Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez. So this is Andrea Ghez, as you can see the picture on the screen. So friends, it's extremely important to keep in mind the names of the scientists, and that's why I have tried to frame a sentence so that you can easily keep in mind the names of this scientist. You can keep in mind this sentence: when it was raining hard, Andrea took a pen which was on the rose to write her thesis paper on black hole. Now, dear friends, close your eyes and try to imagine the situation. Close your eyes and feel the situation. When it was raining hard, Andrea took a pen which was on the rose to write her thesis paper on black hole. So, from raining hard, we will get the name Reinhard Genzel. Andrea equal to Andrea Ghez. A pen which was on the rose means Roger Penrose. From this imaginary story, actually you can easily remember the names of all three scientists. Okay, anyhow, they have awarded Nobel Prize for the discovery of black hole. Actually, Roger Penrose have awarded for the discovery that black hole formation is a robust prediction of the general theory of relativity. I hope you can remember the theory of relativity. And Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez have awarded for the discovery of a supermassive compact object at the center of our galaxy. Dear friends, the Royal Swedish Academy of Science decided to award one half of the Nobel Prize in Physics to Roger Penrose and the other half jointly to Reinhard Genzel and Andrea Ghez for furthering the understanding of black holes. Okay friends, if you don't know what black hole actually is, so for that let me tell you what black hole is actually in brief. Okay, so black hole is such a place in the universe where the gravity is extreme, and gravity depends on the density of any object, you know it very well. The gravity of black hole is so extreme here that even light cannot escape from here. Now you are thinking why it is called black hole. So as light cannot go through this, so it looks black, and that's why it's known as black hole. In brief, I have tried to explain it. Now let's come to the point that I was discussing. I mean about Nobel Prize. So Penrose's work has shown that black holes are a direct consequence of Albert Einstein's general theory of relativity, which I was talking about right now. Here, let me tell you that Einstein himself did not believe that black hole exists and presented his theory in 1915. Albert Einstein. He has talked about gravity, which shapes space and influences the passage of time. It is this gravity which is so great inside a black hole that is able to bend space and slow down time. And Penrose used Einstein's general theory of relativity in order to prove that the process of formation of black holes is a stable one. Penrose proved that black holes exist and described them in detail in 1965, 50 years later. Andrea and Reinhard, on the other hand, have discovered that an invisible and an extremely heavy object governs the star's orbit at the center of the Milky Way. This extremely heavy object has the mass equivalent to 4 million solar masses and is packed into an area about the size of our solar system. So try to understand and try to imagine. So their works actually tells us that at the center of our galaxy of the Milky Way lies an invisible supermassive object of which a black hole provides a reasonable explanation. So this was it all about, dear friends. So in short, I can tell you that in the year 2020, basically three scientists have awarded for Nobel Prize in Physics, and they are Roger Penrose, okay, and Andrea Ghez, and one is Reinhard Genzel. So this was it all about, dear friends, and they have discovered the basically black hole, about black hole. So this was it all about. Thanks everyone, thanks for watching, stay blessed, thank you.